Alright, so in this video we're going to look about the Python storage schemes. Alright, so unlike in any other programming language, Python don't have the arrays concept, right? So basically it uses it has the list concept, right? The tuple, the set, and the dictionary. So you might have seen in C programming there is an array, right? So you just have to access the element with the index number, right? And arrays are basically the collection of homogeneous data elements, right? And then we have the linked list and structure. There are many data storage schemes are available in in C programming language. But in Python, basically, the storage schemes are very easy, or you can say it is very helpful. So suppose you have you have actually have list here, right? So you can see it here list. So lists are basically the ordered, index, changeable, and allow duplicate data. So you can see it here the list is created by the bracket, right? The, the square bracket, right? So and ordered is basically means that it follow an order, right? So index means that this allows an index 0, 1, and 2, and go down. Right? So changeable, you can change the value at any time, right? So you just have to take the index value. Okay, we will be looking about these things, how these things work in the next video. All right. So and duplicate data means that you can put one data at two times. There is no problem, right? For example, Quran can be put two times or Gita can be put two times, right? Then we have Python storage schemes with tuples, right? So the tuples and the set or the list, they are different, right? So basically it is order, right? Index, both things are same in list, right? But it is unchangeable. This is the main thing, right? Yeah, this is the main thing. Unchangeable. Unchangeable means that you once it is defined, you can never change the value, right? So it will be perfect for those applications where no allowance of changing in data, right? It provides more security, right? So duplicate also allowed in tuples, right? And tuples basically can be written in round brackets, right? This is round bracket. Then we have the dictionary, right? So basically dictionaries are unordered, index, changeable, right? So the dictionary, you can see that these are the key values, right? This is the key values and this is the value, right? So it contains the key value and the value, right? One side. So left side basically the key value and the right side is the value. And the other we have is the set, right? That I didn't put here. Okay, the set. So sets are basically the unindexed, right? Sorry, unindexed and unordered. So by mean of saying unindexed is basically so first let's take an example. So basically set a start with the curly braces, right? So suppose there is Q, right? And then there is B, then there is capital B, right? So this is basically the set, right? So set basically not allowed to represent data at or you cannot access the data in set, right? So if you have to represent one data, you actually have to use the whole this set, right? And it basically does not allow the duplicate data, right? duplicate data is not allowed in this, right? So actually we will looking about these things in more details when we doing the separate videos of these data types, right? Tuples and these things, right? Thanks for watching. Actually, is that okay or should I have